What's rockin' or poppin'? This your boy Big Cole.
That's your boy Big Kobe. Man, what's rockin' and what's poppin', baby?
That's your boy Bad Habit.
We downtown. We in the middle of downtown.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Yeah, so I'm turned up today. I'm not playing with them no more. Today is Money Bike Monday. Today is Money Bike Monday. Yeah. Huh? Should I have eaten? So my goal for today is energy. Word of the day, energy. Don't let anybody mess up your energy. That's your daily advice. So, I don't know if I'm too loud. I don't know if I'm not. I changed up my whole helmet setup. I changed all my audio. Everything is all different. All of it. I mean, I'm still using a Purple Panda, but other than that, everything is all different. Huh? No, you gotta hit record. Where y'all going or am I? Fine. We got ambulances everywhere. They're all gonna call us in. We gotta get away from them. I'm going around. Going around. They call them mini bikes for a reason, people. What? CSS, my man. Yo, so I'm on a mission today. What's the only chance I'm gonna get the lane split? Whee! I'm gone. Yo, I'm out of here. That's all she's got. That's every bit of it. I don't know how long I can hold this. Yeah! Yo, we going this way. So the point of today's video is to let you guys know our new schedule. This is an update video. Get your little out of my way. Get out of my way. Ah. Yeah. It's so hot! It's hot as shit! I've had my visor down and it's so hot! I don't know what else to say. Oh, watch it, that's the polo! They got a popo! Ah! They're gonna pull us over! Yo! You're not gonna make it, bro! No! That fifth gear fucking pulls, boy!
Can y'all give me a second? Yeah, my gloves kind of effed up. You know what I mean? They POS.
You need some new gloves. Oh, I need a blinker.
Oh, that matters. That
Yo! No, we got the yellow! How did they give us yellow? Stupid thing! What's up? Yeah, he wanna see a wheelie. Hold on. Yeah, he do. Hold on, man. I ain't finna die. Oh, I might be finna die. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. You a huge man! What's up, man? There you go! Hey, my boy!
Look at that!
Hey,
Yes,
how you doing that?
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Alright, here's the corner, man! Ah! He ran by!
I'm good, man.
Yeah, baby. Repping these city streets, boy. Woo. Going on.
Yes, sir.
What? Wonder what's down there. Oh, it's the project! Yeah, half of me so wants to do it. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Do y'all? Oh, it's a bump! Oh, God!
Oh.
Yeah!
What's up, man? Keep the rubber down, man.
Ski! Bited! We just chilling, bro. Let's take a second and talk about the schedule. This week we decided that our videos have no schedule. So me and Big Colby come up with the schedule. We're gonna drop a mini bike Monday every Wednesday. I know that sounds crazy, but we gotta have time to edit it and we don't want to be a full week behind. So we're gonna drop a big bike video every Saturday, no matter what. What? We in a packed area now. Yo! Yo, it's so beautiful!
Yeah, I see that rockin' a poppin'. This your boy Big Cole.
That's your boy Big Colby! Man, what's rockin' and what's poppin', baby?
That's your boy Bad Habit.
We downtown! We in the middle of downtown.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right.
Willie.
Baby girl, you look good.
So guys, I need y'all to like and subscribe, leave a comment what you think about the video. There's a lot of y'all that has not subscribed.
Excuse me, pardon me. Coming through. I'm gone. What are you doing? We are trying to get on a schedule where you guys will know when we're dropping, you guys will know what we're dropping, and we can drop better and more focused content. That's the goal of it. So, look, post office. That's where I send off all my shit. That's where I get the pounds in, bro. No, not really. I'm just playing. Don't flag me. What's up? Wrapping that up, boy.
Oh, Lee, you gotta take the shit out, man.
Oh, the bump! You know I did!
That man went, what's up?
Oh, flex on him!
He went,
Buddy on this!
he is on that shit.
Hold up, hold up, hold up!
Yes, sir.
Woo. I'm running out of gas, bro! Is it cruising down the street in my 6'4"? Yep, you go ahead. Woo! You gonna hit me? Would you hit me?
Yes, I would.
They're still behind us. They always be talking about how the city's so bumpy. Man, we got some bumpy roads out here, dude. You don't want to get too far back coming around some of these bumps. Yeah, you're just not gonna make it. Like, oh, see what I'm saying? Ah!
What's up, guys? I want y'all to finger that subscribe button.
What I want you to figure out that subscribe
So
button.
like I said, this is Mini Monday. Y'all be seeing this stuff on Wednesday. This your boy Big.
Alright, man, dude.
Watch that.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I'm gonna get him. Beautiful. Yeah, my God. My D. Yo, what's up? And I bought it on Facebook. 125 cc's. It'll wheelie all day long though. About 50. That's it. I had that big tag right then. That was every bit of it. Every bit. 125. 125. Alright, bro. Let's go! Let's go! Oh no! Oh no! You can't get this! I'm too fast! Oh no! Yeah! Ah! Hey, he's a Harley dude, Mike! Yeah! Harley! And the Evo! Yeah! You think I should go get him? Nah. Maybe? Yeah! How far are you going, man? You wanna ride? I'll be slow, I ain't gonna hurt you. Yeah, man. I done walked before too, you know what I'm saying? You let me know. You. No problem, bro.
Where the hell did he go?
Hey, she ain't fast, but we'll get there. Had to pick him up, y'all. I can't leave nobody walking like that. I done walked too many miles in my day. Hey, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my dude. Front door service, my guy. Front door service. Yeah, dude. Have a good day, bro. He was like, on that? He was like, what? I'm like, yeah, bro, come on, I ain't gonna kill you. Get out, motherfucker. Wanna walk? He was like, oh no! Yeah!